Here at Scott Legal, we know the complex issues presented by immigration law. We are here to help you navigate the oftentimes difficult road in acquiring or maintaining your immigration status. We have new immigration videos every week. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and bell. You can also sign up for one of our webinars, or get a free immigration guide, by clicking the link below. Many clients ask, what kind of real estate business is E-2 compliant? Stick around for the answer. An E-2 visa is available to individuals from certain countries who want to buy or start a business in the United States. The visa requires applicants to invest in and create jobs in the U.S. The first step to applying for an E-2 visa is determining what type of business you will establish as your E-2 company. Immigration law does not dictate a specific type of industry that qualifies for the visa, so your options are quite vast. We have had clients file successful E-2 applications for many different types of businesses, from a software development company to a yoga studio. The key thing to keep in mind is that the business must satisfy specific requirements to qualify for the E-2 visa. One of these requirements is that the applicant must show that the E-2 business is a real and operating enterprise as defined by immigration law. E-2 applications for real estate companies often receive increased scrutiny, as various business models that are typical in the real estate industry would fail to demonstrate that it is a real and operating enterprise. Instead, they are often viewed as too passive. This video will discuss the types of real estate businesses that would qualify for an E-2 visa. The E-2 regulations require that the enterprise must be a real and active commercial or entrepreneurial undertaking, producing some service or commodity. Various types of real estate companies, such as real estate holding companies, do not qualify for the E-2 visa. Therefore, purchasing property in the name of an LLC would not qualify for an E-2 visa. Similarly, placing your stock portfolio in the name of an LLC as an E-2 investment will not qualify for the visa, as these businesses are not sufficiently active. While asset holding companies are out of the question due to their passive nature, there are several types of real estate businesses that would qualify for an E-2 visa. The following is a list of real estate companies that would qualify for the E-2 visa. Please note that this is not a complete list of E-2 compliant companies, but rather an example of successful real estate businesses our clients have founded and run as E-2 companies. First, a real estate brokerage firm. A real estate broker can start a real estate agency as an E-2 enterprise. The key is that the company is providing a service, property listing and securing tenants for their clients, and therefore is a real and active commercial enterprise. It is important to note that ideally an E-2 real estate agency should hire employees prior to applying, and have a comprehensive business plan with a thorough personnel plan to demonstrate how the company will hire more employees and not be marginal. Next, a real estate management company. An investor can start a real estate management company, and this may work for the E-2 visa. It is important that the company should manage more than just the investor's own properties before applying for the visa. For example, if an E-2 applicant starts a real estate management company and the only property they manage is their own condo or house, this will likely not be approved. The applicant should strive to get third-party property owners as clients prior to applying, as this demonstrates that the company is active in the local real estate market. A real estate renovation and construction company is another type of real estate business that could qualify for an E-2 business. This business is hired by property owners to renovate or work on their homes, and thus provides a service and is an active enterprise under the regulations. A house flipping business could also work for an E-2 visa. However, the investor would have to own a large number of properties, such that the business was active enough to hire employees. This type of business is often viewed as too passive. But, if the business had 50 properties, which would require several full-time employees to operate, the management of the business could qualify for an E-2 visa. Scott Legal has filed hundreds of successful E-2 cases, including dozens of real estate companies. It's important to work with a qualified immigration attorney when applying for an E-2 visa. To learn more about the E-2 visa, take a look at our resources linked in the description box below. We are here to help. You can contact us by calling 212-223-2964 or by sending us an email. We look forward to hearing from you. You can also schedule a consultation by clicking on the link below, where you can choose a day and time that is most convenient for you.